This video will show you what to do if you are getting this "sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time" while trying to access Rockstar Games Launcher. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then type in date and time. Now select the first result that appears. Now in the settings app, you will need to ensure that the set time automatically option is enabled. Additionally, make sure your time zone is set correctly. Now scroll down and then click on this sync now button. Once you have done this, try opening Rockstar Games Launcher one more time and see if it works. However, if it still doesn't work, make sure you aren't using any VPN connection as it can cause such errors. Finally, if nothing else works, your last option is to open up any web browser on your PC and search for Rockstar Games. Now click on the first result. Now here you will need to sign into your Rockstar account. Now click on this profile icon at the top and then select account. Now select settings. In your account settings, you will need to go to this linked accounts tab. Now here all you have to do is unlink your current account and then link it again. This is a workaround that seems to works for most users, so make sure to try this if nothing else works. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.